Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy yet delicious recipe. It is a garlic mushrooms, and we are going to stir fry 200 grams of fresh brown mushrooms. After washed, just slice them thinly. And the other ingredients we need: garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and half teaspoon of pepper, mixed pepper, black and white, and half teaspoon of salt. And of course, we need some oil. I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of cooking oil. Any oil you prefer, you can use it. And today I'm going to use sunflower seeds oil. Let's get cooking. Let's heat up the pan. Just pour in the oil. Let's pour down the garlic. This side dish is actually very suitable for many types of meals or dishes. We can use it as a topping. Put down the salt, and now we can pour in the mushrooms. You may add into your meal as a side dish, and also you can top your salad. It only takes about 5 minutes to prepare this dish. It's almost done. We can put in now the pepper. Switch off the heat. It's done. So easy and delicious. Here it is. It's done. Let's try it. Let's try it. It tastes very delicious. Umami flavor. Try it, guys. Thanks much for watching. See you in my next cooking. Bye bye.